Hey guys, I'm Alex from Smart Fusion, and today I'm going to show you how to quickly use Adobe After Effects to highlight certain elements from your thumbnail, making them more visible. So guys, as you can see, I've already opened up a project here in Adobe After Effects, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can highlight some of the elements in your thumbnail, making them extremely visible on YouTube. So for instance, I'm going to just choose this photo right here that has been rotoscoped before. I'm going to use a simple effect here. It's called drop shadow. So there we go, drop shadow. We can put it on the image here. These are the settings for the drop shadow over here, the left hand side. Let's go quickly to the opacity, make it 100%. Let's choose a different color for it, maybe a bright yellow. There we go, like so. Right, click OK. Then we'll make it 90 degrees. And let's just make this to something like a distance of 25. And a softness that is actually like a blurriness behind him. Let's say about 45. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, it looks quite fine. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna click this drop shadow here, Command D to duplicate it, Command D again, and Command D again just to make it 4 times. And now we're gonna just change the angles here of the drop shadow. So this is gonna be 180 degrees out of phase. This is gonna be 180 degrees down. And the last one is gonna have to be 100 degrees up. So like this, we have all 4 sides of the image that is being highlighted with the color that we chose. Thank you so much guys. This is how easily it is to use an effect in Adobe After Effects to highlight certain elements in your thumbnail. See you in the next one. Peace.